Recording, like grand. Yeah, isoboy Kaveri sibuyile futhi nenye ivideo sonimeno bani apha
Mbalenhle.
Malenhle kwabani
Sidonti.
Malenhle Stone.
Yes.
Okay, so i-question ethu oqala namhlanje ibuza uba do you think broke gents deserve love?
Yeah, because why not? I mean, they do.
Awusho kanjalo?
Bruh, like, money can't buy love. Because love money, like, they're the ones who are using you. So money can't buy love. They deserve love.
Okay, so when you are in for like a real love, not money.
Yeah.
Okay. So any question ithi do you believe into kuthiwa i-girlfriend allowance ba intombazane mele ifumane i-girlfriend allowance?
No. Ubaba wakho makangakunikezwe imali why uzoyi-expect emfaneni?
So wena kumthina awunandaba nemali?
Nope.
Okay. So manje umthina mhlawumbe okay ke sekuyakunikeza ke ungahala kube imalini?
Any amount ofuna ukunginikeza yona, it's fine.
If
Like, if you insist, then it's fine.
even if it's 10 rand, it's fine.
It's fine.
Please. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So nansi enye question ibuza ukuthi zintoni i-red flags zakho kumthina?
Yo. Okay, yabona umjito anganikezi attention ne. Umjito vele aduke nje the whole day afike ngama excuses asile. Ayiyangihlanyela lo. What else? I think that's all. Umjito angakhona ukuzi-expressa, guys.
Ukwazi uzi-express like i-feelings zakho anything?
Yeah.
Okay, so uthi umzwana ufuna like ama lover boy kanje umuntu uyabo?
Yes. You have to be a lover boy. Reassure me.
Okay. Ilento i-green flags zakho kumthita?
Gayonit. Okhona ukuzi-expressa. Okhona ukuthi angri-assure. What else? For now, that's all.
Okay. Okay, so ndimeno bani? Angel bani?
Baloi.
Oh, okay. I-question yokuqala ithi do you think broke gents deserve love?
Of course.
You are a liar.
They do. They do, yeah.
Okay. So which means when you can date a broke gent?
I didn't say that. I said they do deserve love.
And what do you mean by they deserve love if you are not going to give them love?
They deserve love, but like, you're putting me on the spot. No, man, I wouldn't. Not broke completely, like uhlelendli, you understand? But yeah, I wouldn't date a broke girl, but they do deserve love. Not from me though.
They deserve love, but not from you. Okay. The second question is, do you believe we girlfriend allowance ba a girl must get a girlfriend allowance?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, my first is so.
Yes, how? Definitely.
Okay. So mangathiwa wena like kumjita mawuthola expect malini minimum as a girlfriend allowance?
It depends on what you're making. I can't expect 5,000 and you're earning 2.5. Like, it depends on what you're earning.
So if umjita earn like 5,000 or expect malini?
At least for my 1.5, like ngiyazama, but I'm not even taking half.
1.5 is student.
Is student is holy NFSAS.
Ku NSFAS expect malini?
How much I don't get NFSAS. How much do they get?
1.6.
Angajoli lawyer.
What do you mean?
1.6 yaphela musimangathenga ukudla kana mali girlfriend allowance.
Awu and phele kudleni. So ngokuma kuthiwa umjita kusakwe date expect uba at least spend malini?
Depending on the place. Plus minus like 2k, 2.5. Like, you know, it depends on the place, obvious.
2k, 2.5 like for just a date.
Yeah, like first impressions last, especially first date, because like first impressions last,
yeah. So if like ujola ne student, which means mela spend when first wakhe wonke ku first date.
Student must focus esikolweni. Angajoli because uzokhala.
But now student must.
Hey. I'm a student, Mara.
Guys, I'm not a boy. I don't have to give anybody money because I'm dating.
You have to.
By choice.
Awuvanga ukuba like amantombazana they can lobola amachito.
By choice though.
Nakuthi it's by choice.
Shuthi ke siyeke.
Okay. Nansi question. So I red flags zakho kumchita ndoni?
Okay. What are my red flags? I don't like niggas that wear skinny jeans. I'm so sorry. Skinny jeans on a nigga.
Skinny jeans.
Yo, come on, send it, dog. Like you must.
Okay. Yeah.
What else, man? I'm not a very picky person, but yo, don't wear skinny jeans. I'm so sorry. Don't be Kuala Mala Twizy at these days, man. Don't, must just be calm. Like I want a chilled, calm nigga, not,
So mhlawumbe xa explain like a chilled calm nigga umchita lokho chilled kanjani?
Not too forward, but like agaphashelwa, like like anyukumphaphele just because uthulile, like you understand. And then I don't know, man, just have aura, like just
Aura.
have presence, like
Okay.
abantu bongena in a room, people must feel that you've arrived, but they're not in a calm way, like just composure,
So kuchuta na uthanda la machita we aura farming.
Yo, don't order farm, mustn't now. Mara, obviously, figure, like we must naturally feel your aura, like you don't have to force it, like you can't just be. I must.
Okay, chill.
Yeah.
Okay. So ke ngoku bese enye ithi I green flags zakho kumchita.
A green flags. Oh, a nigga that loves thingy. A nigga that like a nigga that loves cuddles. A nigga that loves kisses, guys. We might love kisses. What else? A stable nigga, a person that works.
Rest.
Very stable nigga.
To rest.
Don't stay at home.
Hey,
Parents are very stressful. Yeah, man. Also composure.
So kahle kahle ufuna umuntu osebenza uzoba nemali.
Hayi imali mara umuntu okhona ukuzinakekela.
Kaloku umuntu ozothi okhona ukuzinakekela, which means kufanele kube khona nama 2k we date, so which means you need money.
Oh my.
Okay, i-question okugqibela nansi ke. Ithi are you a gold digger?
No, I'm not. No.
Why is it you are not a gold digger, but
Because I wouldn't ask a nigga for money I can afford myself.
So which means you can just like take a nigga to date and
I can.
and pay that 2k
I can.
for real.
You see, yabona wena mong I keep ungiprovela ukuthi yakhona ukuyikeep, then that means you're able to be my boyfriend because I can do that and more.
So abantu bahlezi bethi ladies first, so which means ungayikhipha then
I could.
we bounce.
Kodwa mara mina first.
Yeah.
Marangisho he's the one that's going to ask me on the date.
Yeah, kaloku if like you can for now, then we
If
can
I
bounce.
can, I will.